Shut it off.
I'm not going to. It's my phone.
Alright, I'll shut it off.
Excuse me. You can't film in here.
Why?
Because it's the rules.
No, it's not. I live here.
No, it's the rules. You cannot film in here. Like, I'm getting in the back of your video.
No, you're not in it.
No, I was in it, so you have to shut it off.
I
Like,
don't.
there's a rule posting, like, right over there, and it's like, there's no filming.
I've never seen that. I'm
Like,
sorry.
Go walk
But you're
over
not.
there and find it.
You're not in
There's no
any of
filming.
this, I promise. So there's
Yeah,
no
how
need
can
to
you
worry.
promise that? It's like I have to worry about not getting in your video while I'm working out. And like it's like stop. It's just inconsiderate. It's like just shut it off.
Okay, I'm sorry I'm bothering you, but you're not in the video, and if you are, I'll cut you out.
Yeah, but how am I supposed to trust you to do that? Like you just turn it off. Like how about you just focus on your workout and just stop worrying about filming yourself?
Okay.
No, shut it off.
I'm not going to. It's my phone.
Alright, I'll shut it off.